Are you happy with the result? Or you thought that you could have won this match?
Yeah, we are not 100% satisfied with the game. I think we were the better team today. We had a lot of chances. Their goalkeeper was man of the match, so this obviously shows that we played very well. But we didn't succeed in our chances. We didn't score. So we're not 100% happy, but I think it's okay. We played 2-2, and now we go back to Ranchi. We have 2 home games, and then we will prepare for the Final Four.
The way your team has played till now, do you think that you are a strong contender for final?
Oh yeah, I think the title in Ranchi will go over our team. If you want to win the title, you have to beat Ranchi, I think, yeah.
Where do you find yourself this match?
The team?
Yeah.
Yeah, as I said, I think we can still progress a bit and play better, but we're on a good way, and I think for the Final Four we will be on 100%.
And the final